Hello, welcome to the phonics work for our today's English class. And it is Wednesday today, so it's our last big push until our nice long weekend. So please spend some time, make sure you watch the lessons in each subject area, not just English, but in English, math, and Spanish. Okay, and give it your best work today. Okay, we're gonna rest tomorrow, so today's our day to put 100% in. Okay, and today our focus is on building automaticity. That means being able to read words that we see often quickly. Okay, we're getting so used to seeing these words that we don't have to stop and sound them out. Okay, so today we'll be practicing reading these words, and we'll read some of them together today, and then you'll be practicing reading them on your own. Okay, so you will need the book My Word Study, and if you need to pause this video and go find the book, please do so. All right, and then we're going to flip to page 8, and it's called Build Automaticity. Okay, and a lot of these words today they're called R-controlled vowels. Okay, so we're looking for words today that have vowels connected to the letter R because they make an interesting sound. And that's one of the things that you're going to be looking at when you move into your independent work. Okay, but before we start that, let's read through these words together on the sheet. Now, you'll notice that there's this big, thick line down the center, and that's divided into 5th grade words and a little bit more challenging 5th grade words. Okay, so you'll notice that the words on the bottom of the line are longer, a little bit more advanced, and they might be words that you haven't heard before. So I'm going to read through this list one time so you can hear how they're pronounced. And then we'll talk about what your independent work looks like today. All right, so I'm going to start on the left and I'm going to go down and then move over to the next row and go down. And then the same as we move through the bottom half of the spelling or bottom half of the words on your automaticity list. Remember, earning, birthday, surprise, adventure, earlier, pasture, thirsty, observes, hummingbird. November, relearned, head first, overturn, pasture, earning, birthday, unconcerned, surprised, adventure. Concerned, earthbound, swirling, suburbs, furniture, overturn, November, relearned, deserved, head first. Observe, yearning, hummingbird, disturb, surely, remember, swirling, earthbound, suburban, creature. Deserved, earlier, thirsty, occur, creature, disturbed, furniture, occurrence, yearning, surely. All right, hopefully by reading through those once together, that will help support you in your independent work today. And what you will be doing is you're going to read, practice, and write about these words. So the first step is underline the R controlled spelling pattern in each word. Okay, so there are directions at the top of the page, and in those directions, they mention words that have ER, or you might see ear, EAR, or IR, UR, or URE. Okay, so we're paying close attention to those spelling patterns today. Pronounce each word with someone. Okay, so if you have a family member, a brother, sister, parent in the home, it would be great. You know, if you're home alone, feel free to just say the words aloud. Okay, practice reading the words on your own. Okay, and then when you are ready, have someone time you for 1 minute as you read the words. Okay, keep practicing to improve your score. All right, and you'll notice at the bottom there's 3 places for you to time yourself reading these words. And the goal is for 1 minute. All right, 5th graders, good luck today, and then reach out if you have any questions.